Hey guys, we wanted to share this recipe with you in a full video.
'Cause it's bussin'.
You're going to start with 3 overripe bananas and make sure you mash them up really well. You can do this using a potato masher or just use a fork.
Then cream together the butter and the white sugar.
Then throw in the brown sugar.
Put your mixer on medium-high until light and fluffy.
Next, you're going to add in your eggs one at a time. Make sure each egg is fully incorporated.
Now you're going to add half of your dry ingredients sifted together.
Next, you're going to mix in your sour cream.
Then add in the other half of your dry ingredients.
Then finally, you're going to add in your mashed bananas and your vanilla extract.
Pour your batter into a parchment paper-lined loaf pan.
Bake at 350 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes. While you're waiting,
You go play Roblox.
No, you make your cinnamon butter, which is butter, honey, and any amount of cinnamon that you like.
We really like cinnamon, so we put a whole tablespoon.
Whip your butter mixture together, and then you can use a star piping tip to make it look nice.
Once your banana bread is done, it will be nice and brown on the outside.
Finally, spread on your cinnamon butter.
And enjoy!